Hi everyone and welcome back to Techie Anshi. In this video on my channel, I am going to talk about recording performance of your workbook in Tableau. In this video, I will guide you through the step-by-step process of how you can record the performance and also some of the main important things that you can keep into mind when you are recording a dashboard performance so that you can look at each and every aspect of workbook performance. This video doesn't cover anything about how to optimize your workbook, but rather only how to record the performance. If you're interested in optimizing your workbook, I've already created a video which I'll just go ahead and link it on the top of this, and you can go ahead and watch and see how you can optimize the performance of your dashboard from it being right now at around 30 seconds to reducing the load time to just 5 seconds. So go ahead and watch that as well. Without further ado, let's get right into this video. So let's head to Tableau now and start by opening the Sample Superstore accelerator that's already available as default in your Tableau dashboard. As you can see, this is my workbook and I can also interact here with a lot of filters, parameters, actions that are already pre-built in here to see how my dashboard is performing. However, this is not enough. If I have to tell my stakeholders what is the amount of time it would take for the dashboard to load or to interact, I need to have some statistics and some numbers around it. In order to do that, you can just go to Help and go and click on Start Performance Recording. When you hit that, the performance of the dashboard is started to getting recorded. Now, you can go ahead and apply a few filters, play around with your dashboard, go into different sheets, go and apply various parameters that you already have on the dashboard. Try to slice and dice your data as per your need and how the stakeholder will interact with this dashboard. Once you're able to do all of these different changes to the dashboard, you can see that the performance is recorded by clicking on the Stop Performance Recording button from the Help menu itself. When you click on this will automatically generate a Tableau workbook. This workbook would have all the information of the actions and the things that you have performed while the dashboard was open. As you can see, there are events like rendering, compiling the query, computing various layouts, and it also shows the amount of time which each of these events took, by which you can know exactly which of these events are taking longer than you expect and can cause hiccups in your dashboard and reduce the performance. Now, there's one common mistake that most people do. When they record the performance, they have opened the workbook previously and then they record the performance. Ideally, what you should do is you should open the layout of the Tableau. First, go ahead to the Help menu, go and again go to the Settings and Performance button on the top in the Help menu, and from here go ahead and start the performance recording. After that, you should open the workbook and interact with the dashboard. What this does is, it not just gives you the interaction time, but it also tells you about how much time did it take for your dashboard to connect to the data source and to load for the first time. I will just show you the difference between the two performance recordings. The one without opening the file first you have opened the file and then started the recording, and the other one where you record the performance before you even open the file. This is one important step that most people usually don't do. So again, go to Help, Settings and Performance, and then go ahead and stop performance recording. When you do this, again, the window will open with the recorded performance of the workbook. As you can see, this is the Tableau default dashboard that gets created automatically. And in this, you can also see connecting to data source as an event. This can really tell you how long your dashboard is taking just to connect to the source. This is a very important event as well. So if you want to capture this also on your dashboard, don't forget to hit the record before you even open up the dashboard. There are various events that you can see here, and this will help you to judge the performance of your particular dashboard that you've just created. So this is how you will be able to record the performance of your dashboard. But optimizing your workbook is another key aspect of making sure your dashboard performs well. For that, let's just quickly look at some of the areas of improvement that you can work on. Try to use a minimal design. This makes sure that your dashboard can load faster. You can also go ahead and use some of the inbuilt charts that are in Tableau rather than creating something from scratch. This really helps in improving the dashboard performance. Making sure a latest version of the Tableau is being used, because that makes sure that most of the bugs are already taken care of. Having an optimal data volume, a volume of data that the dashboard can really handle. Try to use aggregated data. So anywhere where you don't have to show the granular data, make sure that you're using aggregated data. Try to use less cluttered marks. Don't add every field to your marks card. Rather, only add what is really needed. Use extracts. Extracts are also a great way to reduce the size of your data, and make sure that a hyper extract is created in the behind of the dashboard when the dashboard loads. Using data source level filters to reduce the size of your data is also a great way to make sure your dashboard performs well. And the most important one, which is to make sure that you hide all the unused fields. Any calculations that you don't need are all deleted and hidden from the dashboard. That also allows the dashboard to perform much better than what you would expect. So these were some of the key areas that you can focus on. But if you want to know more in details about how you can improve dashboard performance, I already have a video on my channel about this, so please go ahead and watch that. It gives you great details on how you can go ahead and improve the performance of your dashboard. With that, I hope you really liked this video. This was about how you can record the dashboard performance. If you did, please don't forget to hit on the subscribe button, and do like this, comment your thoughts, and let me know what you want me to cover next. I will see you on the next one. Till then, bye bye.